Malaking binitawan ng isang Australian coach dito kay Cone sa isang panayam matapos nga tong successful na run ng Pilipinas sa naganap na February window. Yan na matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page.
Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo.
Last Saturday nga mga bularo, marami na namang PBA fans ang paniguradong na-hype dito sa naganap na ika-4 na laban ng Road Warriors ngayong Philippine Cup kalaban ng Fiber Xers. Especially na maliban nga sa panalo, nagawa rin ni Bolek na makapagtala ng kanyang career high sa nasabing laban, finishing the game with 46 points, 5 rebounds, at 8 assists.
Yun nga, yung first quarter medyo sumabay kami sa laro ng Converge. So, pinagalit si coach. Gising kami, dating ng second half. Usually, kami yung naano ng third quarter pero at least ngayon naman, kami naman yung umangat sa third and then sa fourth yun na. So, yun nga sabi ni coach, gandang laro ni Robbie, si Paser, ang ganda rin ng laro. Step up. Lahat ng pinasok ni coach talagang nag-step up. So, masaya kami kasi collectively, ang ganda ng nilalaro namin. Sana matuloy-tuloy namin.
Pero maliban dito, sa araw ding yan marami rin ang siguradong nabuhayan dito sa malaking binitawan ng isang Australian coach patama kay Tim Cone matapos tong successful na run ng Pilipinas sa naganap na February window at Asian Games.
There's no one I only had the 1 year there, but there's no one I had more respect for in the game of basketball in the Philippines than Tim Cone. And again, I talked about the environment for our team and our coaching staff to learn. And I learned a tremendous amount, and I hope in turn that we gave something back to the Philippines that they picked up. But Tim Cone was somebody that I learned from, and his success at the Asian Cup, and now what he's done already with the window, I just think that the Philippines is going to go on a surge, that they're introducing new young players to their team. Soto, Kevin, that played with us. Yes. So there's some new, young, exciting players to enter into the Philippines team, and I think Tim Cone's a perfect coach for the future of the Philippines basketball. He's been there, he knows the system, he knows the players, he's respected, and he's smart and knowledgeable. So again, I'm with Australia. I want to win a medal at those Olympics, but I also I love seeing this region getting better. I'm excited about what's going on in Japan, and I think Tim Cone's hiring is really big for the Philippines.